Hello and welcome. So let's do an EFT mini tap on the feeling of stagnation. Now, the feeling of stagnation is usually one of the early feelings that leads to frustration. Things aren't moving the way that we want them to go. It doesn't feel like we're getting anywhere in our career, in our relationships. We just feel stuck. We feel trapped in some way, energetically, emotionally, physically. So usually it creates frustration. If it continues, it creates anger. And in Chinese medicine, we say that it can also lead to mild forms or early stages of depression. So it's really important to, first of all, recognize when you're feeling stagnant and then knowing what to do about it or how to move through it or get your energy going again. So this tap is about helping you move out some of that stagnant feeling. Okay, so let's do it. The first part is I want you to think of something, just one thing each time you do this video, where you feel stuck in life. Stuck at your house, stuck in accommodation, something like that, or your relationship feels stagnant, career stagnant, so anything. Got it? Now just maintain your focus on that, and I want you to notice now when you think about that, how does it feel inside your body? And where do you feel it in your body? Good. Noticing any particular tension, contraction feeling, twisting feeling, heavy feeling inside your body. Usually it's kind of in the chest, the solar plexus, or the belly, usually. And I want you to see if you can welcome that uncomfortable feeling for a moment. And welcome the feeling of feeling stagnant. Because usually we're trying to avoid it, we're trying to get away from it, but that's not how this works. With EFT, in most cases, we allow the uncomfortable so that we can then transform it. Okay? It's really hard to transform something unless you bring it up. Okay? Otherwise, it's just avoiding. So can you allow yourself to feel really stagnant in that part of your life? Notice what it feels like inside your body. Notice what the mind wants to do, just let it run. And try to view it like a scientist. You're just observing. Try not to get too personal, basically, with it. You're just observing from an objective point of view. Good. So now we tap. We've brought it up. Now we can transform. So on the side of the hands, tap, tap, tap. Sit up nice and tall as well. This helps energy flow. And I want you to repeat these words if it feels good for you. So even though I feel really stagnant in this part of my life, that's okay. I accept how I feel, and I fully and deeply accept myself anyway. Good. Again, even though I feel really stuck in this part of my life, that's okay. I fully and deeply accept myself anyway. Good. Again, even though I feel really stuck in this part of my life, that's okay. I fully and deeply accept myself anyway. Deep breath. Good. Up onto the eye, inside of the eye, tap, tap. This stuck feeling on the side of the eye, I wish it would go away. Under the eye, I really don't like this feeling. Under the nose, and that's okay. On the chin, I accept how I feel. On the chest, and I'm open to the idea of letting this feeling go. Deep breath. Under the arm. So even though I've got this horrible feeling that nothing's moving, that everything's stagnant, and I'm really frustrated because it just will never change. It feels like it will never change. Eyebrow. And it feels like I've tried everything. I've tried thinking about it endlessly. Under the eye. I've tried talking about it. Under the nose. And now I'm tapping on my face, trying to deal with it. And that's okay. It's okay to feel frustrated. And it's safe now to relax my body. And it's safe now to relax my mind. Deep breath. Good, on the chest. So even though I feel really stagnant, that's okay. I'm open to the idea of letting this feeling go. Because when I'm relaxed, things tend to flow more easily in the ribs. And when I'm stressed about it, things don't flow so easily. Okay. Inside eyebrow. And I've tried being stressed about this thing. Side, and that hasn't seemed to work very well. Yeah. So I'm open to the idea of actually relaxing about it instead. Because maybe that'll help my energy flow again. Maybe relaxing about it will give me new ideas. Deep breath. The chest. Maybe if I relax about it, I'll get new inspiration. Deep breath. Under the arm. So I'm allowing my body to soften. I'm allowing my body to relax. And I'm allowing my energy to flow with ease. On the eye. And I'm also allowing my breath to be deeper. I'm also allowing my breath to be smoother. And any remaining frustration or fear or worry or hopelessness in the nose, it's safe now to relax and let them go. It's safe now to relax and let these feelings go. Deep breath. Hand on the chest. It's safe now to relax and let these feelings go as best as I can. And I fully and deeply accept myself anyway. One more deep breath. And relax the hands. Good. So just take a moment, and when you're ready, just tune back into that original subject that you focused on at the beginning. And notice if there's any change in the way that you feel about it now. Notice inside your body. And remember where we tuned into, where did you feel it the most in your body? So see if you can go back to that. Notice if there's any change. If there's any sense of more openness, of more softness or relaxation in your body and in your mind, then we're going in the right direction. If there's still some tension there, excuse me, that's okay. Just go back to the video a few more times, focusing on the same subject. And also check out some of the other videos as well, because that will also help soften the system. So if you want more, then feel free to come over to my website, get some more free stuff, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.